Introducing the CHiQ Front Load Washer and Dryer Combo with an elegant and stylish black colour finish. It features an 8.5kg washer and a 5kg dryer capacity for a seamless laundry experience with innovative features and an efficient design. With its slim 577mm installation depth, this combo model is perfect for flush mounting in tight spaces, offering full functionality while saving space. What we call Space Pro. The jumbo washing drum, taller and narrower with a 530mm diameter, ensures excellent wash results as laundry drops from a greater height. The touch control panel lets you easily select from 11 programs, ensuring optimal care for different fabrics. You can choose to automatically wash and dry your clothes. Once you have selected from one of these wash programs, cotton, mix, quick wash, spin, and baby care, then press the drying program and choose auto and simply press the start and pause button. The machine will complete the wash cycle and then the internal sensors will automatically adjust the drying time according to the humidity. CHiQ Plus Dryer Clean deep cleans the washing machine drum and eliminates bacteria that cause unpleasant odours. The powerful Plus Dryer Clean feature removes lint from the dryer channel and improves dryer efficiency. With One Touch Smart Wash, the machine intelligently detects laundry weight to optimise washing temperatures and times. Forget to add an item? Early in the wash cycle, press the Pause and Add feature to allow you to simply remove or add laundry by pressing the Start Pause button for 3 seconds, unlocking the door. There's also a handy steam treatment function that reduces wrinkles, brings clothes to the ideal humidity level, relaxes fabric for easy ironing, and eliminates odours. Thanks to the 4-piece shock absorbers, you'll experience a quiet, smooth, and energy-efficient operation. You'll find this advanced shock absorber design in some of the top European brands, and CHiQ proudly shares this same high-quality design. The CHiQ WD-FL 8.5T-4.8B5 is your smart choice for your laundry needs. Improve your life with CHiQ.